Hey guys, took a mention with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the pressure for your location with your iPhone. So let's get started. So it's going to be really simple and easy to do. On your iPhone, the weather app, if you go ahead and open it up and select a location, your current location or a location that you like to check, just go ahead and click on it. Of course, you'll see the information about the temperature during the day. But if you go down all the way to the bottom here, there's a section for pressure. Now, if you click on it, you get the pressure for that specific time period. Now, as you can see, there's also a daily summary as well. Now, if you want to see the pressure for the next few days or so, you can click over here, scroll, and take a look at how the pressure is going to look during the day for the next day, and then also during the time of the day as well. It gives you an idea of the pressure. So if you're interested in this data, it's all right there for you. And also nice little summary. You can also change the unit of measurement for pressure if you need to change it into other measurement. As you can see here, it's available as well here. By default, it's inches per mercury, but you can of course change it to any other one that you like. But you can get the pressure data right off your iPhone with the weather app, just like that. The only thing you have to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. That data needs to be pulled down for your location. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.